Hello guys, it's Rickaquaog and welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be reviewing the Huawei Smart Scale. This is going to be very brief. Basically, what this does is to connect to your phone and keeps record of your weight and other body values. This is a very smart way to do this. Let's get to the review. To begin with, let's go through the unboxing experience. When you open the box, you can find the scale. Let's put this aside for the meantime. Then you can find a tiny booklet which has the instructions on how to operate this device. A disclaimer though, I've been using this scale for a couple of months now, so bear with me. It has a pretty slim design. It has a tempered glass on the front. It looks really nice and very well polished. So not just looking pretty, this scale does a whole lot of measurements with the help of the BIA precision chip and the 4% sensor found on this device. So how does this work? To pair with your phone, you need to download the Huawei Health application. Create a Huawei ID if you don't already have one. You get to add a maximum of 10 people so you can have separate profiles so your friends and families can also use this device. To pair, go to your application with the Bluetooth set on. Go to the device. Choose Body Fat Scale. Then you go ahead and press pair. After that, it's going to ask you to stand on the scale. It's going to take a second for the application to search for the scale. Then you select your scale. Once it pairs successfully, it's going to take your measurement. Initial measure is going to be your body weight. Then a few seconds later, it's going to go ahead to do other calculations, including your BMI, that's the body mass index, your body fat, your muscle mass, basal metabolic rate, body water, visceral fat, bone mineral content, and protein. So what the scale basically does is help you to keep your body values in a very smart way. With the scale and the application, you're able to keep records of every time that you use the scale. Then you can monitor your body values, your weight, your body mass index, and all that in a very smart way. This is going to help you achieve your fitness goals. This scale is really cool, it looks good and really functional too. So this brings us to the end of the video. Like I said, this was going to be a really short one. I don't really know the price of this device currently, but I'm going to try to find the price. I'm going to link it in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new to this channel, leave a view, comments or questions in the comment section. I'm always hanging out with you. I hope you guys are keeping safe. I hope you're washing your hands as often as you can. Help flatten this curve. Thank you, stay safe, and see you in my next upload. Peace, I'm out.